How to enable or disable name and photo sharing in messages in iPhone 16e. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and then click on apps. After clicking on apps, then you can see the option messages. Now click on messages and then scroll down, and here you can see the option share name and photo. Now click on share name and photo. Now here you can enable or disable share name and photo. If you want to enable your share name and photo, then simply turn this button on, and if you want to disable share name and photo, then simply turn this button off. So this is the way to enable or disable name, share name and photo in messages in iPhone 16e. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.